Alright, this is the Auto Doctor. Today we have a 2010 Dodge Nitro. Had overheating problems. We found the heater core was leaking. This one, there's no way around it. You gotta pull the dash. So I pulled it aside and set it on the seats here. There's really no need to pull it all the way out of the vehicle. Here's the heater box itself, and you can only see the tubes right now, but this is your heater core. That's what was leaking. What we got is about 3 bolts. One was here, one there, and then we had one on the outside here, right there. We evacuated the AC system and we pulled the lines off here, went to the H block. We pulled the heater hoses off right here, and after those 3 10mm nuts are removed, we can now remove our heater box. Let me set my phone down. Alright, carefully pull it out on the passenger side first, then we're removing it. Alright, now that we have it out, we can see where the coolant was leaking here off the heater core. Let's go ahead and go out to the heater box here, and we'll just have to take these torque bolts out. Separate the housing and replace the heater core.